दोषम् मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्।
अर्जुन कहते हैं, यद्यपि ये लोग लोभ से अंधे हो चुके हैं और न तो कुल के विनाश में दोष देख चुके और न मित्रों के विरुद्ध युद्ध करने में पाप।
Arjun reflects that the Kauravas, blinded by greed, cannot recognize the sin in destroying their own family or betraying their loved one. Their judgment has been clouded by selfish desire, making them unaware of the deeper moral consequences of their action. This teaches us that when greed takes over, it shuts down our ability to see right from wrong. True wisdom lies in staying grounded in conscience and choosing righteousness even when others around us lose their moral clarity.